Directors of Utilities Aruba, I haven't seen them. If I forgot something. You know, the hierarchy I see far away. Excuse me, Snake, I see him. Welcome, Mr. Snake. Director of ELMA, Supervisory Board of WEP, internal stakeholders, management team 5. Again, we fast-tracked the replacement of engine number 7, which was lost to a fire incident in April of 2024. This same project management organization team with support from earlier completion. We were happy about that before, but we had some in our own scope, but it was very, very positive to have that situation that the supplier can finish before the scheduled time. I have the project management organization team led by Lucia, standing there, worked intensively in order to achieve completion, worked intensively in order to achieve completion of this very important achievement. The definite needed for capacity was initiated in the summer of last year with the milestones of the preliminary works agreement signed in August of 2024 in order to expedite items with times, and the contract signed with Wärtsilä was 24. Following the contract signing, it was also a matter of closely and critically monitoring the progress. In the second quarter of last year, we were intensely discussing about incurring of 4 months, and through teamwork web-wide, we were able to reduce this to a month and a half, and it remained at that minus a week. Before, ahead of schedule, we finished this project ahead of schedule. Today we are here for this important takeover after intense pre-commissioning and commissioning works, with first move on June the 3rd and takeover on the 7th. The team led by Lucio Figueroa, supported web-wide consultants, and an excellent partnership with Wärtsilä, honed over almost. We have reached a fast-track milestone, and let's have a sound round of applause. Before
come forward the representatives of FUDA, Mrs. Renate Raven, Berend Jan Huiskes. Go ahead, yes. And the FUDA will receive an amount of 12,500 florins as a contribution to acquire an ambulance of people who are terminally ill and or bedridden. It's not the complete amount for the ambulance. Thank you very much. Okay. So once again, a very big word of thanks to both Aruba Sport Unie and Fundación Último Deseo Aruba for to a sustainable community. These people work very hard, and we are sure the donations will be very well spent. Okay, now, ladies and gentlemen, we will now go over to the signing of the taking over certificate. So that's the formal part where WEP takes over the project. In order of signing, I will call on stage 2 by 2 the list of WEP Aruba and Wärtsilä signature on the certificate. Werleman, please come on stage to join and coordinate the signing. And the first two I will call on stage are project manager for this project, Elton Figueroa, and civil team manager, Jonathan Angela. Forward to sign. Hello? Yeah. Okay. Don't go far because we're going to do a group picture. Okay? All right. Next to sign is Mrs. Jane Orman. And also Eldrick Nora, and Eldrick is for instrumentation. Jane Orman is the WEP PMO, that's Project Management Office, right? Okay. Aplauso. Next to sign are, she's already on stage, Project Manager Lucia Werleman and also Division Manager Technical Affairs, Veromar Werleman. Veromar, please join us. Si, bunta scapa. Thank you, Veromar. Next to sign are our guys, Rolando Rasmain, Department Head Mechanical, and also Division Manager Maintenance. Thank you, Danilo. Next to sign, Michael Wade, acting head of power generation. He's in Cuba. And also, Jenny Heerman, division production. Please join us. So we have a lot of different guys here. We have maintenance guys, production guys, technical affair guys, and women. Don't forget the women. Thank you, Jenny. Next to sign is our Chief Technical Officer, Mr. Alfredo Ruiz. Thank you, Alfredo. Applause. And I now call forward our CEO, Mr. Alfredo Coleman, to sign. No vai mucho dilante, no? No, Lucian. He wants to go with the pen, but Lucia doesn't want that. Thank you.
Ay, tocayo, tocayo.
See. Okay, this is the web crew that was involved with the project. But of course, we also have the Wartsila group. There, I call to the stage Mr. Leif Smets to sign. Thank you. Next in sign is Mr. Matthew. That's very Thank you. And last but not least, from Mott McDonald, the Principal Mechanical Engineer, Mr. N.W. Jones. Please come forward to sign. Thank you. So, besides this crew, we have a lot of other colleagues and other into the project, and we want to call them here on stage to honor them with a very round of applause. Stage, I see we have already Elton Figueroa. Before I go, continue, Herman, Arturo Cruz, Diane Everon, Jarek Rossell, Diane Everon, Jarek Rossell, Marvin Hassel, Jean-Pierre Audubert, Giovanni Gomez, Shamil Willems, Edward Henriquez, Gwendolyn, Roberto Salcedo. Seeing here Alvin Cruz, but Alvin is our photographer, so a big shout out to Alvin. Rudy Yarsagaray. Rudy Yarsagaray. Giomar Arens. Jairo Vrolijk. All web division managers. Robert Cruz, Michael Janssen. And on Wartsila's end, Matthew De Haven, I saw already, Leave is already on stage. Joni Altonen, I hope I'm pronouncing the name correctly. Vivi Altonen, I hope I'm pronouncing the name correctly. Vivian Martinelli, Robin Lilkas, Guillermo Tergolino, and other Wartsila team members on site. Do we have everybody? Are we ready for the big yeehaw picture? Okay, ladies and gentlemen, these are our guys and girls. Without them, ladies and gentlemen, these are our guys and girls. Without them, we couldn't have made it happen. Give them a very warm round of applause. Thank you very much. Will the minister also please join us, Minister Dowers? We can do a local one also if you like. Shall we? Will we do it? Although the sound won't appear on the picture. Okay, 1, 2, 3, yay! Kumas Maxi. Thank you very much, everybody. have had a lot of highlights this morning, but this is the real highlight of the ceremony. That is the actual taking over act. Elton, don't go far. Please join us on stage. Because you will have to instruct us what we will be seeing on the screen. And Pierre Cruz also. Pierre Cruz, Undabota, please join us. Okay, so the act, right here you see at my left, you see two start buttons. And I'm going to ask Minister Dowers and Alfredo Coleman and also Alfredo Ruiz and Matthew De Haven and Lief Smets also. Please join us, and to you the honors of clicking the button. And Pierre and Elton will tell us what we will be seeing.
Yes, bon dia. Good morning, everyone. Actually, this will be handled by our
Own operations team, and also Mr. Pierre.
He will
Coordinate the startup of engines with our guest here. Please in the hand of Pierre Cruz.
Okay, so are we ready to do the countdown?
Good morning,
Pierre.
good morning. Welcome, everybody. Okay, I will give a little explanation about what's the procedure. Before we start, we will call our panel operator, and this will confirm everything is safe and ready to start before we push the start buttons. All right? We will start with engine 11, and short time after, engine 12, because we need to synchronize, and both engines cannot synchronize together. All right? Panel operator, come in, panel operator.
Panel operator.
Panel, we confirm me to Costa Clapa start. Sorry about the language, we will switch in Papiamento.
Yo soy Dios dos.
Okay. As soon the countdown start, they will start with engine 11 and hereafter 12.
Okay, copy that.
All right. Je me consegue zoom banda di and I'm synchronize. Sta klapa countdown? Okay, let's start the countdown. Panel operator, countdown will start. 4, 3, 2, 1. Engine 11, start. Short briefing, engine will rotate, start, thereafter synchronize. All right, engine 11 is online. We can proceed. We can proceed with engine 12. Engine 12 will start in 3, 2, 1. Start command. You can see the sequence. That is the automation sequence. The start sequence of the engines. Engine 12 synchronizing.
Synchronizing. online.
Now we have both engines loading up. We have engine 11 reaching 5 megawatt and engine 12 reaching 3 megawatt.
Okay, so with this we have concluded the formal ceremony. Gentlemen, please stay in front for another group picture. Yes. Please join on stage. I think that's better. Yeah. Pierre, join tambe. Thank you very much. And with this, we have concluded the formal ceremony of this morning. Thank you very, very much for joining us and wishing you a very splendid rest of the day.